So now it's the end of the year and you want to promote your students to the next class. So what do? You click on the Promote Student button and you're taken to this window where you'll be able to promote your students. So at the top, you'll see all the instructions that you need to follow. And below that, we can already see we have an undo and redo button. So this one allows us to reverse all the actions that we have done in this specific window. Below that, we can see the title there and the gender table. So you can see the male number and the female number. Below that, we'll be able to see the classes and the students. So you'll be able to see here, Playgroup has this number of students, pre-primary 1, pre-primary 2, grade 1, and so on. So here we'll be able to promote students to the next class. So from the lowest class going to the highest class. So it is advisable that you start with the highest class going to the lower class so that all the students that you promote from the higher class move to the next class, leaving room for the lower class. So starting with grade 12, you can promote the students. So you click promote and the system gives you the list of all the students in that class. So your only task here is to select the students that you want to promote and you don't select the students that you want to retain. So if you want to retain Brian Mwendwa, what you just do is you don't select the year field. So since I want all of them moved, I just click on it, then I promote the students. And what will happen is that now the grade 12 students will be moved to alumni. And we can see at the top here, I have my undo button activated. So since I've already promoted grade 12 students to the next class, you can see now I have room to move grade 11 students to this class so that now I don't mix them up. So I'm going to select and I'm going to click promote. Then now I have promoted grade 11 students to grade 12. So when I come to grade 10, I don't have any students. I'll come to grade 9. You can see I have 5 students there. Select all of them so that now I leave room for the lower class. And in case I come and mess up, I want now to reverse all the changes that I have done from grade 9 to grade 12. So I'm just going to click on the undo button and it will reverse all the students or all the changes that we have done in this particular area. So you can see we have undone everything until it has become inactive. And when you come down here, you'll be able to see it is back to how it was, starting with grade 9 with the 5 students, grade 11 with 1 student, and grade 12 with 3. And whenever you're moving the students at the highest class to the next class, they'll always be moved. They'll always be moved to the alumni section, so they'll be marked as alumni students. So that is how you promote students. And before I leave, there's one thing that you need to note, and that is the classes need to be arranged in a chronological order, and that is from the lowest class to the highest class. You don't need to mix up the classes because when the classes are mixed up, the system will assume that the lowest class is the one that is the highest. So in this case, playgroup is regarded as lowest, pre-primary 1 is regarded as the higher class. So if we come and mix up pre-primary 1 and we put here playgroup, the system will assume that pre-primary 1 is lower than playgroup. So always ensure that every class here is arranged in a chronological order so that the only task that the system has to do is to spill over the students to the next class. So it will be trickling down like a waterfall. So you start with 12, moving to alumni, 11, 9, 8, and this list goes on and on. So that's how you do it. That's how you promote students to the next class. Thank you.